Brilliant. So we're back with Steve from UMA. Now, Steve, we've spoken about booking resources, but what can you actually monitor of the AV estate?
Yeah, absolutely. So when I think a key part of understanding what's happening in the room and how it's being used is knowing what equipment's in there. So what we do is we actually allow you to see inside your building all the devices that are connected to the platform. So there can be video conferencing equipment, those sensors we talked about. You want to know that they're online and they're working, and you can do that remotely from Vision here as well. So you can see all those things in here. And then when we go into the resources page, you can also start to see where those resources should be. So if we're talking about the booth upstairs, we can see that we've got a desk sensor in the booth upstairs which monitors occupancy, whether someone's using it. 9 times out of 10 we don't make these booths bookable, they just need to be ad hoc, so you can sort of see who's going to be in there. But some of the main devices that we can do is, let's say if I just jump back to that CO2 sensor, we can just see some information here about the CO2 sensor. We can have a look at the temp, humidity, and then the signal there to the gateway. Now, why is that CO2 temperature sensor important and the signal to the gateway? Well, we don't actually, they're battery powered, but they're self-generating power, so they're self-energy harvesting sensors. So they actually work off of ambient light. So we're looking at about 5 years without having to do anything. So
don't need sunlight shining on it?
Nope, no sunlight, just ambient light. And what that does is it keeps that powered, it's self-powered, which means it's good for the environment as well.
Brilliant, thank you.
No worries.